I had dual coding theory, which was first introduced by Alan Pavio in 1971. He hypothesized that cognition involved both verbal and nonverbal systems of the brain. That simply means that learning is enhanced when content is presented in more than one form. He stressed verbal and visual as those two main forms. They're noted as two different mental codes, yet parallel in the way that they work together for recognition. The most common examples given would be pictures with spoken words to match the language, or speech and symbols. Many people may be more familiar with the terms multiple stimulus. That can be related to the thought of how teachers activate prior knowledge for their students before they begin a lesson plan. It's been noted that the more stimulated the child's brain is, the closer they'll pay attention, thus, the more information that's retained. Imagine having to travel from the education building over to Palms Dining Hall for the first time. You would be a lot more enhanced, it'd be a lot more beneficial to be instructed and shown on a map versus just being told or given a verbal list of step-by-step directions. Even if a person was considering themselves more of an auditory learner, that extra visual support would be that plus that would help stimulate the brain and help them remember that information. You could also think about it as two trains going to the same destination. It'd be a lot easier for those two trains to split the workload rather than just have one train try to carry a whole workload on their own. Now, the visual aspect of dual encoding isn't limited to just, as I said, that picture or that symbol. Studies show that the cognition and learning is improved by using written language as well. So that print, say for example, the word tree, has the same cognitive recognition as a picture tree, in combination with the actual spoken word tree, that verbal attachment. I personally believe that dual coding is one that can be used and should be used all of the time. Presenting the content in various ways affects all learning types in any given classroom, but especially early childhood. Teaching the entire class using dual coding emphasizes that differentiation that's important, and that's very vital for success no matter where you are or what the subject may be.